What's going on? What is going on? What is going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today I'm bringing a special video to your faces because I get this a lot in my comment section. Wireless charging does not work with a pop socket. Can you charge your phone wirelessly if you have a pop socket on? What about if you have a case on? What if you have both on? What if there's a magnet in your case or just on your phone in general? Well, I have a wireless charger. If you didn't watch my last video, go check it out. And if you did, you probably know what this video is about, or you do just by looking at the title or the thumbnail. If you are wondering if wireless charging works with all these different options, I'm here to tell you. Right now, I have my phone on a wireless charger and I have a pop socket on. Let's see if this works. This video is just to prove whether or not you can use a pop socket and wirelessly charge your phone, but I do know the answers to a lot of other questions that people ask me, so wait till the end and I'll answer those. Here is my phone, here is my pop socket. I have no case on, so let's get in to whether or not I can wirelessly charge this. Nothing has changed. Look at that! So comment section. Next time you want to say something, do your research. I'm tired of people commenting that you can't use a pop socket and wirelessly charge your phone. That's incorrect. Point proven. Now, many other people ask, can you use a case and wirelessly charge? That depends on how thick the case is, if it's a metal case, if it's a plastic case, if it's got a magnet in it. If it has a magnet in it, it won't work. The magnet has to be a certain way for it to work. Some do, but most of the time, if you have a magnet on your phone, it will not work. The magnet will deter whatever the signal waves, I don't know the whole science behind it, but whatever's coming through that glass will be deterred if there is a magnet in the way. Don't use a magnet in your case if you want to wirelessly charge. However, there are some cases that get rid of that factor. EvuTech has some that have a magnet in the middle and some that have 4 pieces of magnet surrounding the wireless charger thing. So it will work and still have a magnet in your case, so you can still magnetically connect it to your car. So be on the lookout for cases if that's what you do. If your case is too thick, it probably won't work, especially if you have a pop socket on it. If you don't have a pop socket on your case, it most likely will work. If there's a pop socket on your case and you have a thick case, it probably won't work. It really depends on how thick it is. I can't test every case and every pop socket, so it's up to you. You can buy a wireless charger, but keep your receipt in case it doesn't work. Same thing with cases. If you have a wireless charger and you want to get a new case and don't know if it'll work, save the receipt, return it if it doesn't work. Alright? I'm giving you this warning now. It's not always gonna work, but most of the time, if it's thin enough, it'll work. But also, one last warning, if it's too thin, your case might not be protective enough, and that's something you're gonna have to deal with. So don't come crying to me if your phone breaks because you have too thin of a case because I said you need a thin case to wirelessly charge. Alright? Done deal. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like. Comment down below, were you wrong? Was I right? Probably. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And on Saturday, I am posting my follow-up review to a wireless charger. So if you are interested in what life is like for a week with only wireless charging pads, check out Saturday's video. If you are new around here, please subscribe if you want to see that video. Also, if you want to be the first to watch that video, click the notification bell and it'll tell you exactly when I post, which will be at Saturday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But I think that's all for now. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next one. Later, guys. 2 videos out of the park.